Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is going to be a review on the Cream of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco line. It includes the sulfate-free Moisture and Shine shampoo alongside the intensive conditioning treatment, and I'm going to attempt my first ever twist out with the twist and curl pudding, and that is actually for part 2 of this video, so hit that notifications button and stick around. So I got this line from Target with my own money. No, I am not a sponsor. I wish I was though. So let's start off with my beautiful 4C hair. As you can see, it is very dry. It's very brittle, very fine strands. So yes, I am hoping that this line can definitely infuse more moisture back into my scalp and my strands, because God knows I need it. Yeah, the water's cold. I don't want my camera to fog. So it takes forever for my hair to become drenched with water. So I'm just gonna sit under the faucet for a couple more minutes and let it get fully submerged. And I did a little bit of Googling myself, and it turns out I have high porosity hair. And basically, high porosity hair is hair that the hair shafts and the follicles are just busted wide open, so my hair is more prone to dryness and it can lose moisture much more easily than other hair types. So yes, part 2 of this video will be a twist out, and ladies, I need tips. Seriously, anything will help. Do I twist to the left, twist to the right? Any sort of feedback will be much appreciated. And also, if you have any other suggestions on any other videos that you want me to do, please be my guest and leave me a comment down below. Alright, so now my hair is finally fully drenched, and oh, look at that heat damage. Yeah, Hagen. Now it's time to shampoo. Woohoo! So first thing I noticed is this shampoo is silky as heck. Super creamy, and it's very easy to lather my scalp. It took about a couple seconds for my whole head to become lathered, and it smells freaking amazing. You're welcome. Scrub it up, just using my fingertips and my nails to just exfoliate and scrub my scalp. Please excuse my exquisite technique of applying this conditioner. Yes, I know I'm not doing it in sections, but the way my hair type is set up, that don't take too damn long. And actually this, you know, it's much easier for me. It works just the same. Looks a little weird though, I will say, on camera. Looks very strange. So I have lots of heat damage, and it was this very moment when I realized,
hello darkness, my old friend.
I can definitely feel something happening here.
Very nice.
Very strange technique, but hey, it works. So we take our plastic cap and we just throw it on our head, shove our hair under there, and then we're gonna take one more and plop it on there too. Then we take our silk and satin bonnet and throw that on our head. And now we wait. So immediately as I'm rinsing this out of my hair, I can feel my hair feels extremely moisturized. It feels so moisturized and it's super duper soft. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Look at that. More bounce, more shine. So thanks for watching, guys, and check out my other videos. The links will be in this description below. And yeah, got a little... I'm gonna have a lot of fun on this channel, so stick around. Thanks for watching.